described and captioned media program. In the classroom and on the go. DCMP.org.
Coil Book presents Learn to Read with Max the Glow Train and his team. Pete the truck, Max the train, Bill the monster truck, and Bubble the robot go to the back door. J5 the robot flies in and they find a big box outside.
Wow, the word machine is finally here.
They bring it inside. It's a box with a crank and a big gold horn, like the end of a trumpet on top, pointing up. The box is pulled off it. It says Word Machine on the front, while a spiral turns around the horn.
Today, we will learn animal words. Dogs are my favorite animal. Let's read. D-O-G. Dog!
The Described and Captioned Media program provides services designed to benefit students who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind. These services include a library of free-loan described and captioned educational media, a clearinghouse of information related to educational media access, a gateway to internet resources related to accessibility, and a set of guidelines for adding descriptions and captions to media. There are no user registration or service fees. Visit the DCMP at dcmp.org. The DCMP is funded by the U.S. Department of Education and administered by the National Association of the Deaf.